Bruges, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a fairy tale-like city nestled in the heart of Belgium. With its cobblestone streets, picturesque canals, and medieval architecture, Bruges offers a journey through time that captivates visitors with its timeless charm, artistic treasures, and romantic allure. Bruges's historical significance is vividly portrayed in its architectural wonders and landmarks. The Belfry and Halle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as an emblem of the city's medieval past and offers panoramic views of the enchanting cityscape. The Basilica of the Holy Blood, an exquisite Romanesque and Gothic church, houses a venerated relic believed to be Christ's blood. The Groningen Museum, home to a remarkable collection of Flemish and Belgian art, showcases masterpieces by Jan van Eyck, Hieronymus Bosch, and more. Art and culture thrive in Bruges's museums, galleries, and artistic offerings. The Memling Museum, located in the medieval St. John's Hospital, features the works of the renowned early Netherlandish painter Hans Memling. The Concertgebouw, a modern concert hall, hosts a variety of musical performances, from classical to contemporary, adding a touch of cultural diversity to the city's offerings. Bruges's romantic ambience is elevated by its scenic canals and historic bridges. A leisurely boat cruise along the canals provides a unique perspective of the city's architectural beauty and serene landscapes. The Minnewater Park, with its charming lake and swans, epitomizes the romantic aura that defines Bruges. Culinary experiences in Bruges celebrate Belgian flavors and local delicacies. The city's chocolate shops, offering exquisite pralines and handmade truffles, are a treat for the senses. The Market Square and Berg Square are lined with cafes and restaurants that invite visitors to savor traditional Belgian waffles, hearty Flemish stews, and a variety of Belgian beers. Bruges's commitment to preserving its heritage is evident in its annual events and festivals. The Procession of the Holy Blood, a religious procession dating back to the Middle Ages, showcases historical reenactments and pageantry that engage both locals and visitors. The Bruges Beer Festival, a celebration of Belgium's renowned beer culture, invites enthusiasts to sample a wide range of local brews. For those seeking leisurely activities, Bruges offers tranquil parks and gardens. The Beguinage, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a serene oasis with its tranquil courtyard and rows of charming white houses. The Minnewater Park and Koningen Astrid Park provide peaceful green spaces for relaxation. In essence, Bruges is a city that encapsulates the epitome of historical romance, artistic elegance, and enchanting beauty. Whether you're wandering through its medieval streets, immersing yourself in its cultural treasures, savoring its culinary delights, or simply enjoying the idyllic surroundings, Bruges promises an enchanting and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Belgian heritage, artistic marvels, and the timeless allure of a true European gem.